Good evening, everyone. I am Yogesh from Enterprise DB. I am a pgAdmin developer. In the morning, we have seen in the keynote that how LLM can help us with the query optimization. Next to that, we are going to see how database administration can be transformed using the LLM integration with the pgAdmin 4. So in the traditional database design reviews, there are some constraints. So like we have it is time consuming, then you need the expertise, and also it could be the infrequent that due to the resource constraints, and the design reviews could be inconsistent. It depends on the who is the reviewer and how expertise he has it with. So summarizing it, it is expensive in the both terms, that is time and the human efforts. So here we bring the pgAdmin 4 introduces the AI reports. So pgAdmin provides the AI empowered automated analysis using the LLM models. So this provides, we have the three kind of reports, that is security, performance, and the design, which you can access from this tools menu, which I have shown over here in the screenshot. Okay, so currently pgAdmin 4 supports the 4 LLM integration. If you are the cloud guy, then you can use the Anthropic or OpenAI, but if you want the data sovereignty, then you can go for the Ollama. And if you have the air-gapped environment, you can use the Docker model runner. So for the configuration, you just go to the preferences, and in AI configuration, you select you configure your Anthropic, Ollama, or whatever, and then just select the default provider. So currently, I have selected the Docker model runner, which is running in my local Docker desktop. So first report which we provide is the design review report. So it can be run at 2 levels. One is database, another is schema level. It has the 6 dimensions for the analysis. So you can see the attached image is the database design report, review report for the employee table. And it tells you about how normalized your tables are, whether they are first, second, or third normalized, whether your all database objects in your database are following the naming conventions or not. Then it tells about the data optimization, data type optimization, that whether you are using the PostgreSQL specific data type effectively or not, like text versus varchar, JSON versus JSONB. Then it also provides you insights about index strategies, that whether your tables are rightly indexed or not, or you have the redundant indexes, which is causing you the slower query performance. Also, it provides some insights about the constraint utilization for the better control on the database access, and the PostgreSQL based practices like partition strategies, etc. The next, okay, so next one is the security level. We have it provided at 3 levels: the server, database, and the schema level. You can see the attached image is showing the database security report for the employees, and so in the critical issues, it's saying no critical issues, but there are some access and the role level analysis. So it's saying that there are some findings. There are the 2 super users which exist with the Postgres and test. Both doesn't have the expiry specified and have the no connection limits. So this kind of information you get from these security reports. And then you have the performance report. So performance reports is provided at 2 levels, server and database. At server level, it analyzes the server configuration, authentications, and the resource utilizations, like the parameters which you configure with the PostgreSQL conf. And at database level, it reviews the database specific configurations, your index usage, and then table statistics, etc. So in the image, you can see, so it is highlighting the critical issue, that query performance for the several queries are causing the significant performance bottlenecks. So it highlighted the attendance table is causing that issue. Okay. And apart from these automated reports, we have the AI assistant, which directly you provides the SQL queries from the natural language queries. So it is a chart style interface generating the SQLs from the NLQ. So you can see in the screenshot that I have just asked that I want to see the employees who has the salary greater than 10,000. So it just given me the SQL. And in the SQL, you can see the there are a couple of options to copy the SQLs, and you can also edit it at inline. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.